What kind of home business should you start? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, what kind of home business should you start? Now, like I always say in other videos, if you watch 100 of these videos on the same subject, you're going to probably get 100 different answers. But with my experience, I gotta say, first and foremost, go with something that you're interested in. Now, I know this is kind of controversial, especially in the whole entrepreneurial world. They say, should you follow your passion or follow the money? I mean, I think you can do both if you really want to. Because here's the thing. If you're doing a home business, right, that you're really not into and you strictly doing it for the money, you're going to get burnt out. You're probably not going to be successful with it, right? So, especially when you talk about home businesses, a lot of people, when they think of home business, they're doing it to get away from a 9 to 5. They're doing it to get away from something that they're really not into. Why you think a lot of people, when they quit their job or drop out of college, they be like, I just wanted to follow my dream. I just didn't feel, da da da. So why go into something else that you're not feeling or you're not even interested in? Now, granted, any business opportunity, home business, even if you're interested in it, right? Even if you love it, it's going to take some effort. It's going to take some work. There's going to be some ups and some downs, probably a lot of downs. But at least at the end of the night, you can be like, damn, it was a crappy day today, but I enjoy what I'm doing. I enjoy my business, right? So first and foremost, find something that you're interested in, right? And then the next step is figure out a game plan, right? Like a game plan that you can actually implement. So if you got a home business that you're interested in and now you got it, you're like, I'm into whatever, building crafts. Now you're like, but I don't know what to do. Like I don't have a plan for it, right? You need to make sure, if you got a business, figure out how you want to promote it, how you want to market it. And if your whole thing is like, well, I'm gonna have a YouTube channel all about building crafts, right? Be willing to make a lot of videos because if you don't, then your business pretty much is not going to take off, is not going to do anything. So, make sure you're going to have a plan that you can actually do and stick with, right? So, and ask yourself too, what what kind of goals do you have for your home business? Because some people just want a home business just to say they got a home business and they don't even care about making money. Other people want a home business to bring in 6 figures a year. So you got to make sure the home business that you jump into is something that can actually give you that type of income, the income that you're looking for, right? Because if there's a home business out there and it can't generate that type of money that you want, you're probably ultimately going to quit that business, or you're not going to be passionate about it because you're like, this ain't making no money. That's why you need to kind of know the home business that you're into can actually produce the results that you want. Even if it takes some work and some grind, just know in the back of your mind, like, oh, okay, I know this business can do that for me. So once you find, whatever it is that you're looking for, just start, get into it and really just dive in and, go hard with it. Because despite all that talk about follow your passion and XYZ, live the life you want, financial freedom, all of this stuff takes work. All of it, you gotta get websites done. You gotta send emails. You might gotta cold call. You gotta create some videos, or you gotta write some blog posts for anything that you're doing. You know what I mean? There's no There's no escaping that. So with that being said, guys, I mean, 2019, it's so many different opportunities out here. So popular home business things that a lot of people are doing now is the social media management. That's something to look into. They got all of the home business. They even do for fitness. They got like the online coaching thing, which is getting big. You got subscription boxes, which a lady who I worked with on one of her websites, she does subscription boxes and was making a killing in 2017, 2018. You got just doing offline consulting. I mean, it's affiliate marketing, product creation. All of these can be home businesses for you. All right, all of them. So it's just a matter of figuring out. I keep hitting the camera. Just a matter of figuring out what you want to do and answer those questions earlier. Make sure you're interested in it. Make sure you can actually implement a strategy to market it, and make sure it can meet your income goals. That's it. There are opportunities out there. They're everywhere. People doing Herbalife, MCA, freelance, companies, being writers, you name it, it's there. It's just a matter of what you want to do. So hopefully this video helped you out. Leave some comments, share this video. But before I get going, I want to share with you what I'm doing. One of my home businesses, which is Genacity. All right. I like it just because it's so easy to get into, guys. And like I said in previous videos, the products that you can sell are products that are easy to sell and that can make you money, and can make you passive income every month. It's just super cool, guys. So if that is something that interests you, there will be a link to Genacity in the description, as well as my phone number, so you can actually give me a call or text me if you want more information. If you want to jump on my Genacity team and go hard, let's get it. All right, so check that out. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.